So I hope you love this aloe, a very beautiful species, as you can see standing here on the window. It's got a bit of spikes on the sides, but overall it's growing really lovely. There's been some pinching before of the leaves for some traditional reasons, and here you can see it's a very lovely plant. And well, if you're thinking about such plants which don't really need watering that often, here is another one which you can see. And cactus is definitely something which doesn't need that much care and watering only from time to time. So if you are the lazy bugger, such plants are for you, and they are definitely rewarding. They look really lovely, and well, you can see here it's all green, so a bit of greenery in the kitchen is always lovely.